me, it's just for Anthony. Every time our eyes meet, and inside me, it's almost more than I can take. Every time you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. So in love with you, it just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Give him the jersey! Competition's done. How I hear the judges? What a love declaration, man.
Oh?
There's just so much emotion involved. It's wonderful.